Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. So today we are going to learn how to create Weverse account. So if you want to create your Weverse account, first of all tap on Weverse application. After opening your Weverse application, tap on join or login. And in first blank you have to enter your email address. After entering your email address, tap on continue with this email. So now it will ask you can use this email to create a new account. Tap on sign up now and then you have to enter your password. So now you have to enter your password in first blank and then re-enter that same password in second blank. So after entering your password, tap on next and then enter a nickname. So after choosing a name for your account, tap on next. So after tapping on next, it will take you to a page where you should agree with their terms and conditions. After tapping on next, so now it will take you to a page where you should verify your email address. So now you have to go to your Gmail application and verify your email. So now open up your Gmail application and then tap on the three barred icon which is on the top left corner and then type on promotions. So after typing on promotions, you can see an email in the name of no replay. Tap on that email and just verify your email. So after verifying your email, we can see you have successfully joined Weverse. So this is how you create your Weverse account. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.